here. Hello.
Thank you, Nat. Mixed weekend for us, I think. Could be better, could also be much worse. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon to you. Well, the weather's certainly redeemed itself, hasn't it, after the wet and windy conditions that we saw overnight last night and into the early hours of this morning. This is the earlier radar, the heavy band of rain that affected us first thing this morning. Some really gusty winds as well. We saw gusts of 53 miles an hour, for instance, in the Isles of Scilly. But things have since calmed down. As for the weekend, though, it is going to remain quite blustery, still on the milder side of average, especially through tomorrow. There will be showers at times, some sunny spells, I think, especially on Sunday, more cloud around for tomorrow. Before we get there, for the rest of this afternoon, it's fairly pleasant really if you've any outdoor plans. Continuing dry and fine with further spells of sunshine, a few areas of patchy cloud, moderate to fresh southwesterly winds, and temperatures still doing well for late October, 17, perhaps 18 degrees the maximum temperature. Into this evening, it looks fine and dry with some clear skies. Before we see it clouding over once again, further spells of rain will push up from the south by dawn tomorrow morning. Another blustery night, not quite as windy though as it was last night, and just a touch cooler, lows of 11 or 12 degrees. Here's how Saturday's looking then. A rather dull, damp start really. Some showers which could be heavy at times, especially through the morning, but I think it should generally become drier into the afternoon. Temperatures just up a touch where we do see any brightness, 19 degrees the high, but quite breezy conditions with brisk southerly winds. For the Channel Islands, it's bright this afternoon with highs around 17 or 18 degrees, turning cloudier with some outbreaks of rain for a time overnight, before that clears towards dawn. And then for tomorrow for the islands, I think some sunny spells in the morning, a bit more cloud pushing in later with the chance of the odd heavy shower. And temperatures here on the warm side up to 21 degrees for parts of Jersey. For Sunday, blustery with sunshine and showers, quite unsettled and windy into next week. And a reminder the clocks go back 1 hour on Sunday. Nat.